All right, today let's talk about how to do your Wednesday brain activator. Every Wednesday, you're going to be working with vocabulary. Specifically, I'm going to have you learning Greek and Latin root words, okay, or stems. Sometimes I call them word stems. So, what you're going to do, it says this activity should only take about 7 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes to play the game, then a few minutes to fill out the chart. Play one round of the Rooting Out Words game linked here, and then complete the chart attached on the slide. So when you click here on the Rooting Out Words game, it was taking too long to load a minute ago, so I preloaded it, okay? So you're gonna see this doggy here with mushrooms, and you're gonna click play now. And it's gonna ask you what category you want, simple, numbers, or months. It's gonna ask you which level that you are going to do, easy, medium, hard, or super brain. And so you'll just choose. So like I'll choose medium simple because I know lots of root words because I've been studying these a long time, okay? So this says if the prefix inter means between, if you stop a person from going between one place and another, then you would do what? So you're gonna choose one of these, okay? This one's super easy because the only word here that even contains inter is intercept. Okay. Now I know that inter means between, and I know that sept means to go. So literally intercept means to go between. Like if you intercept a football, you're going between the guy who was supposed to catch the ball and the quarterback. You're going between them and you're catching the ball. All right. So I'm going to click intercept and it tells me that I got that one correct. So I do the next one. It works again with inter. Inter means between. Your windshield wipers are set to operate between times. When the rain gathers on the windshield, they are called what? I'm going to choose the wrong thing just so you can see what happens. I'm going to click microscope. Oh, nope. Okay, so this is going to tell me the correct answer to the question and why I got it wrong. Okay, so now it tells me I have one correct and one incorrect. Every time you get a correct answer, the doggy collects a mushroom, which is just kind of cute. All right. So after you've played the game, and there will be 10 questions, you are going to go to your brain activator slide. Okay. So did I choose numbers? No, I chose simple, I think. So I'm going to highlight the category I played. So I just double click on that, go to my highlight function and click it. Highlight the level that you played. Okay. I did medium. So I'm going to highlight that so that it keeps track. I'm going to record my final score. How many did I get right out of 10? Write one root word that I learned today and what it means. I know that inter means between, so I would type inter. It means between. And then write one English word that contains that stem. Actually, I'm going to change that to root to keep the words consistent. Okay. So I might type intercept. Okay. I want you to keep track of the levels and categories because I want you to make sure that you're not always doing the exact same things. And I want you to start challenging yourself more and more as you learn more. Okay. So that'll be our way of making sure that you're not always doing the same level in the same category. And that's it. That's today's brain activator. Have fun. Bye.